Phoenix Suns versus the Los Angeles Lakers, man. Hey, that's no cap, bro. Have y'all ever thought about? Like I said, I'm a Lakers fan, y'all. I am a Piston fan too. I'm a Lakers. I'm 70% a Laker fan, 30% a Piston fan. But no cap. Have y'all ever thought about the Los Angeles Lakers? Cause that's where we at right now. We at the loss. We on the what? 6-game losing streak. At the what? We at home, right? Yeah, we at home. And our team, the Lakers. I think I swear, bro. Anybody could come up with that bar, bro. But I won't be surprised somebody would steal that bar, man, and put that in that rap song. Cause bro, that's crazy, bro. We literally the Los Angeles Lakers lost 5-game losing streak at the Angeles, which is LA, and our team, the Lakers. All right, man, bro. The Phoenix Suns, I'm telling you right now, Lakers, y'all better beat the Suns. The Phoenix Suns is no net, bro. They is like the second worst in the fucking West, bro. We better not lose to these niggas, man. And bro, no cap, bro. In NBA 2K25, bro, I play so much better with the Phoenix Suns online on Play Now than them niggas in real life, bro. It's crazy. Let's check this out.
Phoenix after today, Richard talked about their tough schedule. They
All right,
do
we got
play the
Luka
next
back,
5
man.
games at home, starting tomorrow against the
hell is
Raptors.
this sound, bro?
Doncic leading in, gets it back, corner 3, right in front of the Suns bench is an air ball. Good one. Good hustle.
All good.
Since mid-January, the last 28 games, the Lakers are the #1 defense in the NBA.
That's what I'm saying. What happened, though? Let's go, Hayes. Oh, yeah, we got Hayes back.
Between the two of them, they average 16 assists per game. Here's Dunn for 3.
This damn audio is ass.
And he hits it to put Phoenix on. The rookie out of Virginia. He made 7 in college last year. Lakers turn it over. Dunn. And that was blocked by
Great
Hayes.
block, man. Somebody get the ball, bro.
Seeing Durant do this a lot this year. He'll kind of feel the game out and then strike.
Know that they can get themselves going, so they try to get their teammates going in the first quarter. I think Kevin Durant, he's got to be ultra aggressive. He's got to come out and set the tone.
Let's go, Austin.
His career, LeBron James deferring to him in the postseason, and he's only built off of that confidence.
Amazing. Undrafted 4 years ago out of Oklahoma. Another basket.
They know Mason Plumlee. That's not his nature. It's just 2 bad games and 2 different situations.
Hayes again. Foul.
Let's go, Hayes. Okay.
First, again, good answer. 9-0 run by the Lakers.
This let y'all know right here, bro. This man Luka really changed our whole team, bro. They even said it. Bro, LeBron was not making Hayes like this, bro. I'm telling y'all, Hayes was not like this, bro. He always was alley-oop, get like 4 or 5 points and move on. Luka making him as a fucking all-star big.
For the last 2 minutes to open up an 8-point lead.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's go, Luka.
And it has something to say to him. Phoenix just
Luka
5
for
man. 17 from the floor to start the game and 11 points. Doncic
Luka Laker, man.
Open. The three's good. Second.
Oh.
And Luka Doncic scored the last 10.
Luka Laker, man.
Got it. Doncic on fire. A lot of people think that it's wide open after Oklahoma City as to who the second best team is in the West.
Let's go, Dalton.
Right
Connect.
Connect. Deep 3. It's good.
You know, depending on health, depending
we got
on schedule,
3 coldest white
you've
boy
seen
on the
it
team,
change
man.
multiple
3
times
coldest
where
white
people
boy,
are
man.
Jones cans one
Reed, and Luka.
Looking to take good one here off the bounce. Booker pulls up, so good from the mid-range, as good as anybody.
I've been doing that all day.
About having a smile on his face every day because he loves his life and loves his no-trade clause. Now in context, he was asked about it. Footing.
See, oh my God, if we would have kept Anthony Davis, if we had Luka, LeBron, and Davis, and keep Austin with Rui, bro, that's all LeBron had to do to Anthony Davis against the Denver Nuggets, bro. I told y'all. On the 2020 when we had Rondo, the reason why we won the championship majority of that whole year because we had Rondo throwing lob to Anthony Davis. That's when LeBron James was on the bench. We had a whole point guard was throwing lob to Davis. Now bro, that's all day.
Loves his life and loves his no trade clause. Now in context, he was asked about it. His footing, but is okay. Have an awkward landing. Shot clock at 2. Reeves falling out of bounds.
Go Reeves! Coldest white
5
boy,
assists
man,
now for Doncic. Averaging about 7.5 with LA. Beal, coast to the rim. Third turnover by Doncic. That's been one issue the last handful of games as Booker gets that one plus a foul. Shot clock at 8 now backs up to midcourt.
Don't let Devin get on it. Don't let
LUKA
Devin Booker
working with
fire,
Hayes
bro.
in the two-man game. Doncic all the way to the cup.
Go,
To
LUKA.
throw it off Booker out of bounds. Instead, it caroms right back to Book, who tracks it down. Booker coast to coast, Euro, and the finger roll.
Minutes for both teams is so important. Lakers have done a good job. They want to finish the half strong, and if you're the Phoenix Suns, try and finish this in a manner that doesn't end up with
5 seconds left in the
about.
half. Durant wants it with 2. Durant gets into the paint. Lefty, no. Richards followed dunk. Appeared to beat the buzzer.
Man, whatever,
No, he's missed 20 games.
Lakers, this is what I'm talking about. Now hold this lead. Hold this lead. You see, this is how we're supposed to be doing, bro. You see how the Celtics been doing. I ain't gonna lie. I've been watching the Celtics. They ain't been doing pretty good the last couple months. They used to be blowing teams out. They ain't blowing nobody out now. But we need to blow them out. We need to blow every team out just like this, bro.
Multiple variety of
Great
injuries
pass,
this year.
LUKA.
Another assist by Doncic to Hayes. Goodwin making his second straight start. His 3 off target. Ball batted around to Hayes. Doncic faked the pass to Reeves.
Hey!
And drills a 3-pointer.
sense of urgency.
The Suns have now missed 17 of their last 18 3-point tries.
Right.
Durant, though, with
I
his
cannot let KD get on
around the
fire,
hoop.
bro.
Durant starting to feel it, hits the shot and draws a foul. Early third, Lakers by 17. And Booker takes the pass from Gillespie to Richards on the cut, and a blocking foul. They're without Rui Hachimura, as well as Booker misses the shot but gets it back. It's the 9th straight game that Hachimura's missed. The 3-ball.
Bro, we was just up 20. What the fuck is going on? Oh my gosh, bro. We was. Oh my goodness, bro. Any other teams would have had 20 points. They would have kept this lead, bro. Ain't no fucking way, bro. What the fuck is going on?
As Booker misses the shot.
How we was just up 20.
But gets it back.
Hold up. Bro, 50, bro, 20.
Point tries.
Well, what was the biggest lead?
Speeder. Mura's missed the 3. Now on. Right to Doncic, but force him to give it up. Swing it, Finney-Smith. Now in the corner, Vincent. The Lakers need it, and they get it.
Let's go, Gabe Vincent.
Phoenix had 2 threes in the first half, 3 already in the second half. They go inside this time to Richards.
Oh, y'all, that pain is
heels
sweet,
of
bro.
all those teams that are currently 2 through 5 with 25 losses. Golden State
go,
3
Reeves.
back. Here's Reeves for 3. Boston. Reeves. Doncic, 5 to shoot. Pulls up. Scores.
And 3. Let's
and
go.
a foul. 6 fouls in this game.
Yo, JJ Redick, bro. Look, I'm tired of this shit, bro. This shit. I swear to God. Why is Dalton Connect is on the bench, bro? Bro, I can't be the only one. Bro, the season started, bro. We was ruining Dalton Connect, bro. Dalton Connect. Bro, we was ruined for this dude. Oh, my gosh, bro. And this man don't get no minutes. Watch, I tell you.
Pulls up.
That man shot 1 3 and he just on the bench.
Scores and a foul. 6 fouls in this game. He's 9 of 9 at the line. Very efficient 25-point night. O'Neal, that one's good. He just says 7 here in the third quarter. Reeves lobs it up for Koloko. Doncic shovels underneath. Koloko blocked by Martin. Durant.
Hold up, bro. Hold up. So you got Alex Len on the bench too, I guess.
Shovels underneath. Koloko blocked by Martin. Durant in the open court. And Durant fouled. Count the bucket after a hot start. They double him, force him to pass the ball to Hayes. Now it's Reeves driving middle of the lane and keeping it himself and laying it in beautifully. Timer at 2, a turnover.
Lakers,
Dunn in
what's
transition,
up, bro?
takes it all the way for the slam. Reeves finds the cutter. Koloko blocked by
Right,
Dunn.
12.
Excellent defense by the rookie. Got 2 rookies out there, Iguodaro and Dunn, both running the floor. Jones for 3. And it's a 9-point game.
Just trying to
Lakers.
buy time, 5 minutes. Where's the offense going to come from?
Austin Reeves, that's where the point's coming from. Let's go.
His ability to touch the paint has been really big for them, especially as they haven't been so healthy this last stretch.
He took
How's
another
that
shot
corner
there
open?
too, KD. 3 ball from Gillespie, but Doncic with 28
Up
points,
10.
8 assists, 8 rebounds. Reeves got caught in the air, fires, Finney-Smith, wide open 3 is good. Within the
Man, they
next week,
trust the fuck out of Dorian
here's
Smith,
Doncic,
bro.
who's played
Dog
34
Connect is
minutes,
way
28
better
points,
than that
10
nigga,
boards,
man.
8 assists, drives,
3.
count the basket and 1. Can't turn it over. That's
3-point
13
play.
now. Here's Doncic.
Let's go,
draws
Luka.
the big Iguodaro, so drives past him and gets the layup with the left hand. Gorgeous. Played 35 minutes so far. He's controlled this game throughout. Backdoor pass to Booker for the
All right,
easy
come on,
for
Lakers.
Phoenix
Hold this
and a
lead, bro.
fast break opportunity, but the Suns
Put
could
them
not
boys
take
to work,
advantage.
Austin. Put them boys to work. That's a foul.
Shot driving that time.
That's a foul, bro. But Kevin Durant can do all this, and he can get a foul, but that's not, bro. I swear, bro.
By Austin.
I swear, bro.
Muscled that one through
that's
contact
not
for
a
his
foul,
26th
bro.
point. 3 is good for Dunn from the
3
corner.
for others also.
He's got 11 assists, his 11th game of 10 or more assists. They again blitz Doncic, force him to pass. Finney-Smith, good, switches
Let's
home,
go.
a huge 3.
About time, because your ass been
splits the double,
struggling,
fires
nigga.
to Reeves.
Let's
Just
go,
stands
Austin.
alone and shoots, but missed the 3. Batted out, though, by Goodwin to Doncic. LUKA missed it. The tip is good by Finney-Smith. Just poor effort on defense and on the
That's what I like
glass.
to see. That's what I like to see,
Turnover to
Lakers.
end the game. Austin Reeves and LUKA.
They talking about we need LeBron, nigga. We don't need LeBron, nigga. Just wait, nigga. Just wait, man. We don't need LeBron, nigga. Just wait. Man.
Doncic combined for 61 points.
Yeah, exactly. That Austin Reeves and LUKA cook, nigga. LeBron, you can come back in the playoff. We definitely need you in the playoff, but we don't need you right now, nigga. The fuck? See what we got here. Damn, they got me way over here. Alright, what the... Okay, NBA. What the fuck? Okay, Lakers right here. Yeah, right here. Alright, man, we got Kevin Durant. Damn, he was struggling like that. Last game against the, who they played last time? The Kings. That nigga Durant was going off, bro. What the hell? 21 points. 9 rebounds. Boy, Bradley got 4 points. I mean, he probably got hurt. Bro, this nigga Devin and KD had to, bro, 6 for 17? Bro, I swear, if I play 2K Play now, bro, Kevin Durant and Devin Booker, them boys would have had 30 points apiece, and Bradley Beal would have had 30. But this is, I told y'all, bro. I told y'all, I'm going to say this again. Kevin Durant, Bradley Beal, and Devin Booker. That's not going to work, bro. That's not going to work. Kevin Durant, to tell you the truth, nigga, it look like you never going to win a ring without Steph, bro. It look like you never, bro. Without Stephen Curry, nigga, you probably ain't got no fucking rings, nigga. That nigga haven't went to the finals since Kendrick Lamar dropped. Damn, nigga. Damn, when you gonna go to the damn finals, bro? That boy KD can never get, bro. He look like no cap. This man KD is a talent, gifted player. But how many times is this nigga gonna keep saying, "Hey, I just want to hoop," and get to the damn fucking play in and playoffs and get swept or get kicked out in the first round? This is crazy. This nigga KD, bro. I think the next trade gonna be KD, bro. Devin ain't going nowhere. They say they was gonna trade Bradley Beal, but man, just know KD, bro. You need Steph, man. Smith finally got 10 points. He ain't got, what, 2 points like last time. Hayes got 19. What the fuck? Y'all see what I'm talking about? This man Hayes he didn't have that much points. That boy LUKA making him an all-star. That boy LUKA got 33, 8, and 11. God damn. Reese with 28 and 6. Look, you got Jordan Goodwin got 2 points, bro. That boy Connect got literally. Damn, Dog Connect was broke. But he had 16 minutes compared to these niggas. Bro, Dog Connect bro, y'all just seen Dog Connect had like 32 points. I don't know why JJ Redick don't play Dog Connect, bro. I don't get it, bro. I don't fucking get it. Nigga just put a 32-piece last game against the Nuggets, bro. And this nigga don't get no fucking minutes, bro. You got Gabe Vincent got more fucking minutes than him. I promise you, if this man, Dalton Connect, had 27 minutes, this man, Dalton Connect, would have had like 28 points, bro. Instead, y'all giving these minutes to Jordan Goodwin, which he trash as hell. He missed a fucking layup. And then we got Dory Smith. I bet you next game he's going to have 3 points. And he's going to be 0 for 6. And the only 3 points he's going to get is at the free throw line or the and one. And then we got fucking Gabe Vincent. And he going to get at least like 5 points, bro. This man, Dawn Connect, literally a fucking free fucking bucket. And y'all going to give this nigga 16 minutes, man. And where the fuck Bronny James at, bro? And this nigga, bro, oh my God, this damn Lakers, bro. But we won, though. Can't complain.